taking a little stroll tonight. See if the little visitor that came last night comes up tonight. I don't think it will. I don't know. I ain't in the backyard, but whatever that thing was, if it's still out there. Put the LED light on the light here. I'm gonna shine it through the friggin' sky once I get off the road here. Almost getting hit. Alright, Ted, one up. Come on. We can get into the famous parking lot. The fucking nights I don't go out. My wifey gets the good shit. That really sucks. Fucking freezing out tonight. A lot of street lights and house lights on in the back. I'm shaking the camera like this up and down, jiggling the light. In the area of where the places I stay. I don't know what I'll get to come out, but telling you, man, I could just imagine what that was last night. And I gotta do a little investigating on what them birds do, whether they come out during the cold season at night to see, you know, fix my hood. I mean, you would think them damn birds would be nesting at night because it gets more colder. But, I guess my theory is right on my wife. Because, she was asking me the other night and saying some shit because, why you gotta go out in the cold and do this shit? I said, God damn it, because that's when the damn dead comes out anyways. Because it's stone cold. I mean, when spirits get around you, it gets fucking cold. Cold spots. I'm about to wonder if the cold, like, gets them, I don't know, more riled up or something. That's what I'm thinking. And if that bird that was seen last night was even a bird, fuck, man, the only thing I can think of right now, and I'll keep saying it, boy, skinwalker, taking form of a bird. It don't show itself to me yet. That's pissing me off. That's the second time my wife said she's seen something. The first time was at the other place. And she said she's seen a full figure, hairy looking creature standing at the end of the bed at the door. And it's like, when I started this shit, you know, even having them dreams when I was younger, I mean, it just... The fuck was that? Go figure, something just zipped up. I looked up and ain't nothing here. Nothing. You motherfucker. Of course, I'm near the old loading dock ramp. And my breath is going out towards the fumes. That was a big fucking white light, and I just looked up and that shot up. I didn't see nothing go up in the air, so got the light going. It was swinging around like this, grab attention. Like I say, down there, where this bright light is, this dark light right there, that's where the door is. I seen that big black figure go across it. And then when I turn the corner up there and go that way, see where the friggin' dot went up in the sky. That must have been a goddamn orb. But damn, what the fuck? I wish this sucker would come out. I'm telling you, I'm close to something. And it's just... Oh, damn this cough. I'm gonna get sick trying to find this bastard. I gotta switch hands. I'm fucking freezing. I've got my fucking gloves. But, I don't know. I'm ready for something to come out. I mean, not too long ago I did, in the morning time, hear a raven in the distance. And that was on like the other street behind where I live. And not just too long ago, yeah, maybe 4 days ago, 5 days ago, fucking 2 crows swinging up in the tree. I grabbed some, old bread, threw it out there. I don't know if they grabbed it or not. They were sitting on the branch watching me and shit, throw it out. And I kind of took a bite out of it, tastes stale and shitty. Showing, it's like something to eat, but I don't know. I don't know if they ate it. I know they flew away, but they came back or whatnot. But then again, you got that thing that flew over my head that one night, but it wasn't big. Down the street there near a light post. Into a tree, mind you. I did see a camera today. Helmet cam, but I gotta watch out for them things. Just looking at it, checking it out. But the things with them is how much fucking memory they hold, and if you even get a good hour or 2 of videoing on it. And yeah, that's what I gotta look for. Something mount on my head and got good memory to capture all this shit. And it looked like one of them ones that they now got them 360 cameras that set on top of the friggin' Google cars. That's how they get their street view and stuff, and map and view. And they're called 360 camera. I mean, this camera I have does have it, but it's kind of stupid because you get a dot in the middle of the screen and you gotta completely turn yourself around. And I did that, and then you line right back up with the dot again. And I tried, going on the picture. I put it up on Google and everything, but it's like it didn't come out right. And you're supposed to, be able to turn 360 in the whole picture. And actually, that's what I friggin' need, a 360 camera. And the one I was looking at Walmart today, I think it said $7.50 or something fucking nutty like that, but it's all about the memory in it though. So I don't know. I'm gonna keep looking up in the sky, hoping something flies by, but son of a bitch, that pisses me off, that damn thing. Out of all the nights, I don't bring the goddamn dog out. Bang, there it is. I mean, I could say it was a omen, not a bad one. I'm not going with bad omens, because these birds are sacred. But yet, if it was a skinwalker, I don't know. I can't. I'm not saying anything about them. All I know is that what I have been coming in contact with them damn things in dreams and articles just literally popping up out of nowhere. I think I got a connection, so for it to show itself literally in the backyard where I live, there's something there. There is something there. And I'm really hoping that, damn it, I can catch something. So I'm back in the driveway. I had to bring the dog for his little walk, but my wife usually turns this porch light on, so I don't know if that attracted it. Usually I'm out here in the dark. I like my dark spaces. Like I said, you can see that sticker right there. That's the sticker on the shed. Just give you a brief, I mean, I'm gonna walk over there, but like I say, this dog comes out here sometimes. Here he is. He stares, he looks, he watches, and usually he runs around the yard barking. And I guess he seen that damn thing last night and flew up in that goddamn tree, but go figure, I'm out here and it ain't here. Damn you. Damn you. I'm walking the street, the parking lot, and I did get that white thing blow through the phone. Maybe an orb. Yeah, yes. Right. And I mean, other than that. Oh yeah, and the other night, I'm gonna show this, that's a street. There's a plane over there heading slowly over. But I'm up in the direction, mind you, of the star that I was showing. Oh, okay. I was looking up. What do we see? Is it up there? Is you up there? Where are you? Show yourself. Come on. Anyways, we were looking up over here. And as you can plainly see, that bright light that was out there at that time, here's the shed. We were all looking up in this area and showing people that thing's gone. Maybe the earth shifted and the planet shifted and it moved, but you got a plane coming over this way, as you can see that. But nothing like the other that night. No, that ain't coming up there. There's a star over there gleaming. There's a lot of bright stars out, but not bright enough like the ones I've been seeing. Damn it, where the fuck are you? Ooh. See what I mean? Dog just barking at nothing. I'm sure he sees something, but See, he's taking stance. What, Ted? That's what I mean. But I wonder if that thing showed itself last night because it was my wife. And just sits here and watches me. Hidden. Don't know why. I want it to show itself. Please reveal yourself. Come forth. Show your true image. What, Ted? Something there, Buck? What's there, Ted? I'm blind the little bastard with the light, but as you can see, he's over there looking around. Yeah, I don't. Fucking piss me off. Battery low, son of a bitch. Ooh, one of my. This was before I came outside. This phone was on 59%, mind you. So I wonder if something's draining it. 59%, and now it's saying battery low. What is here? Come to the light and speak. Give me some answers to my questions. Are you a skinwalker? Or any type of spirit? There's the kids in the house and fucking yelling at their stupid game. If anybody hears that. I did see some things whipping in front of the phone over here. Yeah, another video I gotta go check, see what we got. Let me give a few minutes, of course. We're gonna do a phone up in the air. Oh, maybe not. Phone's dying. Phone's dying. I'm gonna let this run out, people. So I'm gonna put it up in the air and let it run out. And then we're gonna see what we catch. Well, then again, I can't do that. I might fucking shut my video off. Tomorrow night, we're gonna come out here and see what we catch. But this is fucked up because this battery was at 59%. So something drained it. All right, people. Until the next one. Out.